Hi everybody, my name's KW. I am one of the owners over at Coven Market here in Hamilton. And today we just closed on the first ever house that I'm owning, which is exciting. And when I say today, I mean 15 minutes ago. I'm standing in the backyard. It's very beautiful here. I've been working with the good friends at Orella Group for the past 8 or 9 months. They did all the renovations at our store Coven. One of the greatest experiences I've ever had working on a place. So they were the first people I called when I knew we wanted to do a couple things to our home to take it from being our first exciting home to our first dream home. So we're gonna have them be doing our kitchen floor, some countertops, and then the two exciting parts is they're gonna be doing changing a bedroom into a really rad ensuite washroom, and upstairs in the attic, they're gonna be completing one of my greatest dreams I've ever had. They will be turning a doorway into a bookcase that opens from a book. So I'm very excited about it.
To the bad boss.